The QRD Spark N5 controller is something I've been wanting to get for a while, and now that I have it, let's unbox it. And also the QRD PS5 wireless adapter converter is also something I wanted as well. Now this is a separate purchase, it's not included. Let's open this up. So this is the box. It's pretty straightforward in terms of just the branding on the front. Everything else is pretty much blank. And same thing for this, the adapter as well is kind of just the box and that's it. So this is called the Black Pill from QRD. This is their branding on the converter, which you plug on the PS5, and it comes with their instructions. And it's a USB pretty much connector with the pairing button. So it comes nicely kind of tucked into this plastic. You have your clip for your phone if you want to use this for your Android. You also have the USB-C cable. You have a booklet, and the main thing is the controller itself. Nice that it has little foams to protect the thumbsticks. And you can hear it, it is nice and clicky. These are apparently Hall Effect sticks. The feeling of these caps feel like Xbox 360 caps versus, let's say, an Xbox Series X cap. It has more of a kind of concave feeling without the little ridges. And yeah, it's a very nice hand feel. If you were to compare this to an Xbox Series X or Series S controller, they're almost similar. This is a little bit smaller. It has that Series X kind of shape. And but unlike the Series X controller, this doesn't have like the ridges for the triggers. It doesn't have enough grip texture on the back like this controller does. It's a lot lighter. So this is quite a bit heavier. I'm not sure what the actual weight is, but this is what you get in the box. Yeah, you get the controller, you get the USB, and you get the clip. And the clip goes on like that. And this stretches for your phone. It comes a little bit wobbly, but that's something you can do. You can attach it to your phone. You can maybe use this for remote play. And that the booklet comes with a bunch of things that you can set this up for: PS3, PS4, PC, Android.